So this means that often we're a first choice for our customers because we're able to get them a quote well before the competition. I'm James Murphy from HLH Rapid. We are a prototype and low volume product manufacturer. We manufacture lots of different products for lots of different companies all around the world using a range of different processes such as CNC machining, injection molding and 3D printing. I mean, nowadays people expect things instantly. It's not like it used to be in the past where people were happy to wait a few days to get a quote. People expect things immediately right now, and there are other companies in the marketplace who are offering instant quotes. So if we're not doing the same, then we're losing out on that business. Currently in the UK we have 6 people, but even with such a small team we're able to serve customers all around the world and get them quotes when they need them in their time zones. We couldn't do that without software that enables us to instantly evaluate the customer's requirements and provide them with immediate costing and feedback on manufacturability.
I'm Oscar, I'm the sales manager for DigiFabster, covering the UK and Europe. We are an automated instant quoting software provider working with HLH to improve their quoting speed and allow them to offer quotes internationally. A lot of people think they do rapid prototyping because they have quick production methods. But rapid prototyping, in the true sense of the word, like HLH do it, means rapid quoting, rapid production, rapid shipping. So rapid prototyping really is rapid.
And with DigiFabster, we're able to provide our customers, wherever they are in the world, with instant quotations and information about manufacturability of their parts in real time. Previously, we aimed to turn quotes around in under 24 hours. Most of the time we were able to do that depending on the project and the part, but now we can provide a quote within 5-10 minutes.
I'm Scott, I'm an applications engineer at DigiFabster. I'm helping customers get set up and supporting them along their journey. After analysing tens of thousands of parts over the years, we've found that there's over a 95% correlation between the part geometry and the price. Some people think that quoting is hard due to the complex geometries, the added finishes or post-processing that's involved in creating those parts. Our system analyses your CAD geometry and provides an instant price, including post-processes and additional finishes. This can be used in 3D printing, CNC and laser cutting, and we're moving into industries like injection molding.
So this means that often we're a first choice for our customers because we're able to get them a quote well before the competition. In the world of rapid prototyping, fast quotations are as important as rapid lead times. If you don't believe me, jump on the website and try it yourself.